green beans. So this is my own recipe, and I hope it's really turn it good. But I think it's going to be. Okay, we have chicken here, and I boneless already, and I chop it like cubes, and I save the bones because the bones has a flavor in it. So I really wanted to get the flavor of the bones. So we have chicken here. That's the one thigh and one leg. So here, green beans that I slice like that. Okay, and we have carrots, bell pepper, and I slice like this. Okay, 3 cloves of garlic because we like garlics that help a lot for you, for your health. And we have half white onion, the medium size, and I have also oregano here, Cajun seasoning, and ground black pepper, salt, and of course oil. And that's okay. First I'm gonna separate this and put Cajun seasoning into the chicken. I think it's about 1 teaspoon, and just mixed it. You just put it together, like make your own recipe. And this is Cajun chicken with green beans, and I never tried this before, so I hope it really work good. And the Cajun seasoning is really good for the chicken though, really good. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit. Now it's mixed already. Okay everyone, we heat up our pan, and we are just going to add the oil. And about 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to add the garlic. Now add the onion. Then add the chicken. That really smells good. You can use also butter if you want, then oil. You just let that cover until it's simmered.
Did you buy garlic today?
I do.
I smell it. Is it cooking?
Yep.
Good. Garlic is good. Are you recording?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Well, people know I like your food.
Yes, you do. This is Cajun chicken with green beans.
Oh.
This is the new recipe. Let's see if it's turned out good. Okay guys, the chicken is going to be cooked. Just add the carrots. And add the oregano. Smells good. Pepper. Little bit of salt. Just 1 pinch. And mix it. Cover until the chicken's cooked, but we have to check it every time. Water, 1/4 cup of water, and just mix it so it's not gonna be dry. Then add sweet bell pepper, then add the green beans, and just let it cover till the green beans cook. I'm gonna take this out. There we go. That's our Cajun chicken with green beans. Serve time. This, guys, this so look good. It's really look good. It's okay. Put the sauce on top. So here's our Cajun chicken with green beans. Hope you like it. See you again. Bye.